Everyone, is Kelly Sonda. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, so today I'm gonna be telling you guys how to make millions from forex trading, right? 2022. So if you pay attention in this video, you will actually see the right step. I will tell you the right steps to actually follow in order for you to make millions from forex trading. I've actually written down the steps, and I wrote down everything, you understand. So there will be timestamps on in this video, so check the video description in case you want to skip or jump to anyone you want to actually listen to. You make use of the timestamps, right? And also I dropped a link below, you understand. And those, you make sure you use the useful links. Yeah, so first let's get started. Okay, so basically the number one on the list here, the number one here is actually what? Get knowledge, right? Get knowledge. Okay, so if you want to trade forex trading, so the number one here is get knowledge, you understand. So, and if you want to actually start trading forex, or you love forex trading, you want to take it as your career full time or anything, you understand, you should actually what? Get knowledge. If you don't get knowledge, it will be literally hard for you, you understand. You have to get knowledge, understand the business you want to go into, you understand. Now when you have knowledge, things look more easier and less stressful. Also, getting knowledge, you should understand that you will learn the wrong things. There will be definitely mistakes, so you have to keep learning and keep improving on your knowledge, you understand. Remember, no knowledge is a waste. And in forex trading, right, in forex trading you have to focus, you understand, which is the next step. Actually, you have to focus, but like, while you are actually getting knowledge, right, you need to learn many things, especially price action and market structure, you understand. If you want to make millions from forex trading, you need to literally learn so many things, you understand. So most of them that you end up not using at the end of the day, but like, you should actually focus on getting knowledge, right? You should focus on getting knowledge. And by the way, if you want to read all this article, you mean you want to read all of them, I'll be posting a thread on Twitter, so I'll be dropping the link on the video description. So if you want to go over to Twitter and read through everything, yeah, I'll be dropping the link. And also do well to follow also and like the tweet, right? So why I'm doing this YouTube video in essence is to let you guys know, because many people have been asking me, is it possible, are they making money from forex, you understand. So like, many people are actually not aware of what is happening. Many people are confused. They're asking if you are truly making money from forex trading, and the truth is, yes, there is money in forex trading. So the next one is focus, right? You have to focus. You need to focus if you truly want to make millions from forex trading. And making millions is not a joke, right? It's not a joke, making millions from forex trading. So once you're done learning, that is getting the right knowledge required to make millions, right? You understand. I believe the next is, focus. You have to focus, get to work. In the process of focusing, you will definitely learn more. Example, focusing on one or two pairs, you understand. You have to focus on one or two pairs, you understand. You don't like, it's not like trading everything. Focusing on one of two pairs, or you focus on forex indices or crypto, you understand. You focus on forex indices or crypto, you understand what I'm talking about. So you really have to focus, because you cannot like trade everything. You're not here to trade 500 pairs, you're here to make millions, remember. And the next step is practice more, right? So now when you have actually gotten the right knowledge, you are focused, right? And you definitely, you're literally practicing more, you understand. In trading, experience really is experience matters, right? So you have to practice more, back test, you understand, old price action and market structure. You break everything down, you understand, to understand the clear view. So you have to back test and practice more. You literally it gives you more confidence. Anyway, it gives you more confidence, yeah, because some moves and pattern, they repeat itself daily, you understand. Also, you understand the characteristics of trading sections, that is London section, New York, Asian sections, you understand. All these sections, you understand them. Also, it's also advised to practice on your demo account longer. Practice on your demo account longer, not really real account, you understand. So you have to practice on your demo account longer, not really on your real account. So the next one I'm going to be talking about here is you fund yourself or you get a funded account. Now you have actually gotten knowledge, you have focused, you have actually practiced, you have seen the difference, you have seen results, right? You have seen results, and if you look above here, you see that yes, this is a funded account. This is a 10k funded account I'm going to be trading very soon. You understand? This is a 10k funded account, as you can see from here. So I have knowledge, yes, because I have knowledge and I understand everything, risk management, psychology, you know how to analyze and everything. I'll be taking trades, you understand? Then I know definitely I'll be making profit, and literally I'll be making millions from it, because what, I have the right knowledge. And so you need to you need to fund yourself, or you literally need to get funded, right? Because you have to now trade the market. So in you getting funded or trade the market, you understand, is basic. There are many funded accounts you can get, like FTMO, Myforexfunds, the funded trader, etc. The main thing is you have the right knowledge and you have invested in yourself. You understand, you have invested in yourself in getting the right knowledge, right? So altogether, yeah, getting a funded account or funding yourself is actually a proper step in making millions from forex trading in 2022, right? So the next one is join community of like-minded people. Yeah, even from the law of attraction, you should understand better that there is no way you'll be with poor people, you understand, and expect to be rich. You need to actually what, you need to actually have people with the same mindset, right? People with the same mindset, okay? So you need to actually follow people with the same mindset so that you literally understand better. You have to follow people with the same mindset so that you understand the market area. So that is where Saunders FX telegram channel, okay? So we have our telegram channel right here. So this is our telegram channel, and we'll post all these stuffs, right? We'll post everything, our trade analysis, our setups, everything. So once you're here, you see yourself here making profit, literally, you understand. So this is my telegram, right? And this is the telegram channel. So if you want to join this channel, because join this channel is also a great step. If you want to join this telegram channel, right, the link will be at the video description. So do well to actually join, because I'll be updating you guys there. And the number 6 step, which is here, is have a mentor, right? You need a mentor, you understand. And the mentor is someone that you can actually communicate, you ask questions, the person will answer, and the person has actually been in the process, and the person is literally what, making the millions that you literally want to make, right? So you literally what, need a mentor, okay? Yeah, you need a mentor that will guide you through. You follow his footsteps for you, in order for you to be what, successful. And that is why I'm here also. So if you literally want to learn or get started, you can do well to contact me. I'll drop in my link and my WhatsApp, or any details you need to be at the video description below. So do well to contact me, right? Because your mentor, you should also show your mentor your losses, not only your winnings, right? When you lose, your mentor will actually guide you and tell you what happened, or tell you what to do and what not to do, you understand. And the last but not the least is you have to be disciplined. That is number 7, be disciplined. And you being disciplined, there is no way you can achieve anything in life without being disciplined. It's not like that. It's not that easy. So in order for you to achieve anything in life, you have to be disciplined. You have to be highly disciplined. This forex trading is not where you wake up to push button of buys and sells in the market. No, you literally have to be disciplined. Yeah. So you being disciplined is being patient to wait for your analysis, your setup, or everything, anything, doing your daily routine, your workout. You understand? Because you can't just wake up in the morning to place a buy or a sell or anything. No, you literally have to be disciplined. And also, you showing a lack of discipline is that maybe after watching this video right now, you actually didn't understand. You understand, like, you don't get what I was literally talking about. What you're going to do is you can literally rewatch it, or you go, I'll be dropping a Twitter thread where I wrote all these things, like I elaborated more. You go there to literally what, read through, you understand. You read it and understand. Then if you want to get started in making millions, do well to contact me. You understand? You do well to contact me, then I'll tell you what is required so that you get started. So in summary, if you want to literally make million from forex trading, the number one step you should follow is what? Get knowledge. Number two is focus. Number three is practice more. And number four is what? Get funded or get a funded account. Like you have to like get funded or you get a funded account. Literally saying that means will I say you fund yourself, right? That means you actually what? Fund your account or get a funded account. You understand? Because now you have knowledge, there is nothing limiting you. You understand? You go to the market and literally kill the market. The number six step is join community with like-minded people, right? You join community with like-minded people. You understand? Then number six is have a mentor. You understand? Number six is have a mentor. Then number seven is be disciplined overall. You have to be disciplined. So that is it. So that is it for now. So thank you for watching this YouTube video. Please like, subscribe and share. And please, if you literally don't understand anything I'm saying, do well to go to Twitter to read through, because yeah, you understand better there, because it's written. Although this is supposed to be a written sub, but I decided to do a video and I'm using my phone, not really PC. But like I know I'll elaborate more. And also, if you need knowledge of getting started in forex trading, I have uploaded many YouTube videos. So you go to my you check other videos on my channel, you watch and learn both NFP and the rest, because like today is NFP and I know I've done a video on NFP teaching you how to trade NFP. So thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe and share. Bye bye.